News, my lovely, wonderful people. Despite all Nigerians are going through, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu gives the National Assembly what we call palliatives. Nigerians are asking, do you give to those who already have? What exactly is Tinubu saying, or what is he getting at? Now, these are very serious questions. Tinubu passed through Lagos, and guess what? The people of Lagos State were shouting, "Ebi pa wa o," meaning we are hungry. Meaning what? We are hungry. That is his state. He went there, extravagantly to show that, he has arrived. Finally, he has not only been a senator, a governor, but now the president. So he went to show. Instead of the people to begin to, hail him, appreciate him, line up in the street to congratulate him and say, finally, we are here. What they were shouting was, we are hungry. And we've seen again and again that even, Nigerians have come out saying that we are tired. We are sincerely, truly tired. If something can really be done to avert and to change the course of what is going on right now, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details as Nigerians ask what is going on. President Tinubu gives National Assembly members palliative item for festive seasons. As Nigerians ask, do they need it? Why are the people who really need these things not getting it? Late Nigeria has reported that President Tinubu ordered the Minister of Agriculture and Food Scarcity, Mohammed Mahmoud Abubakar, to provide the lawmakers with food item, luxurious food item for the Christmas season, confirming the distribution on Thursday via his official X handle. Presidential aide Daudu Olusegun said senators and members of the House of Representatives have started taking stock of the federal government palliative item for their constituencies. They said the food items are part of the effort to ease life of all Nigerians, adding that each member of the lower chamber receive items worth 100 million naira, while senatorial constituencies got palliative items worth 200 million naira. They said after initial logistic delay, I can now confirm that senators and members of the House of Representatives have started taking stock of the federal government palliative item for their constituencies as part of the effort to ease the lives of Nigerians. Each House of Representative member will receive a worth of 100 million naira. Senatorial district palliative will be 200 million naira. Meanwhile, the senators as well have received enormous palliative that was not quantified, as Nigerians begin to ask, after receiving millions monthly, what do they need this palliative for? It should be given to the less privileged in the society, not just everyone. Nigerians truly need this, especially in this season, not to politicalize what is being done. Nigerians have also called and asked that this palliative gets to the desired destination and not just end in the hands of those it has been given to make this distribution and ensure that Nigerians get this very palliative. So this is where the question lies. This is where the role is going up there, and where people are asking, what exactly do we need to do? Because as it stands at the moment, Nigerians are going through a lot. A lot of issues, a lot of matters are going on, and everybody is wondering. Thank God for the palliative being distributed to House of Representatives and senators to distribute to their constituencies and their people. However, will this money get to the desired destinations? And besides it getting to Nigerians and the rest, what about others? What about, will the money get to other people? Will it get to the very, very grassroots? That's the big question. Will it get down there? Will the people receive this money, or will it just be another money? Will the people truly get it? That's the big question. That's the big question. So everybody is wondering. Everyone is wondering where, where we can truly get to the end of this. Everyone is wondering. So, my lovely, wonderful people, it is a very, very serious matter, and we cannot afford to be quiet about it. Every one of us must rise up to the occasion. Every one of us must speak up and must ensure that the truth is being enhanced. As we speak at the moment, you can see, why this is a good gesture. Is it getting to the grassroots? Those who really need it, are they getting it? Or is this just another way for them to get this money? Those are the questions we are asking. Those are the questions we are asking. People are going through a lot, but are the people who should get these things, are they getting it? Or is it just, money that hangs somewhere and is not getting down to the grassroots? What do we say? And how do we make a whole lot of difference to ensure that these things, these people truly get to see the benefit of a government? Because if you remember the time that there was issues in the country, talking about the time where the whole world was in lockdown, the federal government made an effort. Oh, you heard me, to send palliative. We later got to know that some governors, some people, local government chairman, we are using those palliative as their own personal, when they have party, they use it as a souvenirs. These are things that should be given to the people. These are things that should be, these are things that should be given to the people. So we just need to rise up. you know This is why every single individual cannot afford, we cannot afford to be quiet and allow the same thing to continue over and over again. What we see now is a clear indication of where this nation is and where we are headed. And if we want to see a different ballgame altogether, every single individual will have to own up to responsibility and say enough is enough. As it stands at the moment, we can see how bad things have been previously, what we need to do to make a lot of difference, and how we need to begin to ensure that those differences, are felt in every way, humanly speaking, so that together we can make a lot of difference. You see, every one of us have got a responsibility. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe, so that together we can always make a much difference. God bless. Have a good day. Bye for now.